let's do some question to training to Java certification, to OCP certification. And for it, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate for us some question and we are resolving it together. So let's go. Here, our first question. What's the results of the following code snippets? Oh, ChatGPT is trying to confuse us because it puts the number 3 in the parameter and the number 3 are in array 2. But it's not, but be careful because the index 3 don't exist in this array. Remember that array began with 0 index. So we can't put, so the answer is not the number 3 like in the letter B. The answer is out of bounds exception, because when we try to get something in an array that don't exist there, that the index don't exist there, it gives to us in index out of bounds exception. So let's go to the second. Which of the following statements is true regarding arrays in Java? Arrays can have a dynamic size. No, array can't be resized, okay? Elements in array must be of the same data type. Yes, you need to declare what's the type. Int, integer, some objects or some primitive, okay? Let's go. Arrays can store both primitive and non-primitive. Yes, arrays can store both. Arrays are fixed size and cannot be resizable. Yes, it's correct too. Array is fixed size, but it is mutable. I can change the value inside the array. So the answer, letter B, no. ChatGPT is wrong now. Just believe me. In the next video, if you want, I can show you that ChatGPT is wrong in this question. Let's go to question 3. It returns the number of elements in the array. No, because an array can have 10 places there, but has only 4 elements inside it. So it's not the number of elements, it's the number of index, okay? For me, it's letter B. It's return the capacity of the array. Last index of the array? No. For we get the last index, we need array dot length minus 1. It returns the size of the array in bytes. No, it's not correct. Answer is A. No, ChatGPT, it's wrong again. It's not correct.
So let's see it. If I ask the length of this array, it gives to me number 5. Number 5, because it's the length of this array, not the number of elements inside the array. I don't have elements inside here. For example, I can put some elements here, and the number of the array will be the same, 5. So ChatGPT it's wrong again. Let's see other question, but it's a good question to us. So let's do the number 4. How do you declare and initialize two-dimensional array in Java? So here we initialize an array with no elements, only with the space, and the letter B we initialize with elements inside it. So both A and B. Let's see the answer now. Now let us see. Now ChatGPT is correct. And the last question for today, number 5. Which method is used to copy elements from one array to another in Java? Yes, array has it's not from the object array, it's from the class that have static methods. We have copy of and copy of length, copy of range, sorry. So it's the copy of it's the copy of, because with it we can copy the array. The correct form to see the multi-dimensional array, it's a jagged array. Letter A, how we saw in the last question. Letter A. It's very easy for us now. 7. What's the following store method is available in the array? Number 7 now. Arrays only have the sort method. Don't have quick sort and bubble sort. Let's see it together. So it's different. Array and arrays. Arrays is a class that have static methods to help us to work with arrays. We don't have bubble sort. And what's the other? Merge sort. Quick sort. We don't have it too. Let's do the other question. Number 8. We talked about it. What's the purpose of the array copy of range? So the purpose is copy a range of the array. I pass the how parameter, the initial index and the end index, the start index and the end index. Letter C. Very interesting question, the number 9. How can we compare equals in array? Array don't have equals operator implemented, so it's not possible. And equals here, the signal, it's to compare the reference of the array, not the contents of the array. So here the number 9, the correct is letter D, but it's possible, letter D, but it's possible compared to arrays. Look here, I can pass two arrays. Now it's wrong because it has different type. It needs to be the same type. Okay? So it's possible. Our video is very big now, and we made some good questions with ChatGPT help. So if you like this video, put your like here, and bye bye.